We are at the early birds for the 23rd Saint-Ambroise Montreal Fringe Festival. We're gonna see who's in line here. C'est quoi ton nom?
Josiane Fortin.
Et t'es venue à quelle heure aujourd'hui?
À 8h.
À 8h le soir?
Oui, le soir.
OK. Et pourquoi est-ce que tu as décidé de revenir au Fringe?
Pour l'esprit super vivant, pour rencontrer d'autres artistes, pour produire des spectacles dans des salles super incroyables avec des bons techniciens, des gens vraiment sympathiques.
Ah.
L'atmosphère, toujours colorée.
Cool! Et c'est une compagnie de danse, hein?
Oui.
Yes, we love the dancing. Bonsoir. Bonsoir. Allô, allô. Hey guys. Bonjour, bonjour. On va continuer. How's it going?
Awesome.
What's your name?
Matt
What's your company name?
Uh-oh,
we haven't decided.
No. It's two dicks, one chick.
Oh boy, are we allowed to say that on YouTube? I guess so.
Ils vont barrer.
On va barrer ça.
Dick, c'est Richard en fait. C'est le diminutif
De Richard.
De Richard. Chick, c'est correct.
C'est correct, ça.
OK. Puis, ben toi, Jocelyn, we know you.
Yeah.
T'es venu ici à quelle heure aujourd'hui?
4 heures.
4 heures. Et pourquoi est-ce que tu veux revenir au Fringe?
Pourquoi?
Oui.
C'est parce que je suis refusé partout. J'ai jamais de subvention. Et j'ai dit, hey, faut que je joue un nouveau spectacle. Il est pas bon. Où est-ce que je vais? Non, c'est pas vrai. C'est pas ça les vraies raisons. C'est parce que j'adore le Fringe.
Ah, j'aime ça. OK, on va continuer. I see Poutine over here. Salut, c'est quelle compagnie? Ah oui, la bouille. C'est la deuxième année de suite, non? Que tu fais le... Oh my gosh. 2 years in a row of early birding.
Non, la première fois c'était la loterie.
Oh my god.
Mais cette fois-ci, on a fait le lève-tôt.
Tu sais quoi? C'est tard le soir. It's late. I don't know what's going on. Mais c'est bon, OK. Allô, allô?
Bonjour.
On a beaucoup de monde en ligne.
you couldn't
We have people
fix a
in
broken
line. Hello. What time did you get here today? 12:30. Oh my gosh. That's like a commitment. Salut, ça va? Je t'ai vu, tu étais en train de dormir un peu.
Tout à fait.
Oh my
Je
gosh.
viens de me réveiller.
Mais c'est bon. T'es là.
Moi, à cette heure-là que je suis couchée, là. Hein?
T'es venu à quelle heure?
À midi.
À midi. Et est-ce que tu sais encore c'est quoi le spectacle que tu veux faire cette année?
C'est encore un solo, mais c'est une surprise.
OK, c'est la belle Katia. Elle était ici au Fringe il y a quelques années. We are cold, we're tired. Hey, how are you? What time did you get here today?
I got here at 9 a.m.
What's the name of your company?
The name of my company is Deus Ex Media.
Nice. And we have 9 a.m. I think it's going to get worse as we go along here. What time did you get here today?
We've been taking shifts, so there are people who have been here for us at like 5 in the morning.
Okay, that's a smart way to do it. I just realized, was I covering the mic? Uh-oh. Oh well. Hello, more familiar faces. What time did you get here today, Clint?
6 in the morning.
6 a.m.
Yes.
6 heures
And
du
I'm
matin.
loving it.
Yes. Why do you want to come back to the festival?
Well, because it's a fantastic deal. If you want to put something out there of your own, some original work, you know, and you don't have restrictions, you can do what you want to do. And hey, it's a great festival.
Ah, that's.
Reach a lot of people.
I love that. I love that. You know, I'm hoping that you can hear everybody. I just realized. Oh well, if not. Hi.
Hi.
What time did you get here today?
4:40 in the morning.
Look at this. You're right beside the door. I think that means you're in. Have you been here since 4:30?
6 p.m.
6 p.m. Right. Right. And what company are you guys with? You're stragglers.
I'm with that guy. I'm from over there.
From over there. So
But
we
yes,
have fringers mingling together.
Yes, the company is Lifelong.
Lifelong Productions?
Lifelong Productions, yes.
I was in the Fringe before.
No, we've never been in the Fringe before. We
No.
just finished a production of a play called The Pillow Man.
Oh, at Mainline Theater,
Yeah.
where we are, right on. Okay, cool. It's all in the family. So that's it. We're gonna open up the doors soon, and soon we're gonna know who's in the festival.